Oh, it started, right? Hello everyone, Fayas this side here one more time. So this video is all about what I have done in this 2025 ending, from the starting of 2025, and what I need to achieve in this 2025. I have been figuring out things from the long time, and 2025 had been not a good year for me. It is not that much expected, so I actually keep a mark that this is completely my fault because I have been not focusing on this agency field. So running a marketing agency and balancing the office work, it is like a little bit quite tough, and I want to learn Google Ads. Actually I'm learning, but due to stranger things, I have been watching the all seasons episode, so that's why I'm not able to focusing on things. And 2025 had been a very tough year for me. Rather than comparing to 2024, 24 I have achieved a lot more things. At that time, I'm so happy because I actually haven't seen that much money. Making 1 lakh isn't hard at all. I mean, like making 1 lakh rupees isn't hard. Sustaining 1 lakh is the hard thing. This year, two of my students got job opportunities, and one is making 80,000 per month, and one is got 30,000 job. It is a little bit quite satisfying me, but I'm not pretty much sure. I'm not going to take any more students. I'm not that much focusing on. So let's focus in the next year. Like I need to achieve at least 10 lakh rupees. And for 2025, I have keep a goal want to purchase Tata Tiago, but I don't want to put that much big amount on that vehicle. So I thought to be better we should keep this money on uh, like uh, growing ourselves. I want to invest that, so that's why I haven't keep that. But the thing is people are recognizing when you have physical products, you know. So that is the actual thing where people will notice you. But I don't want to go that trap. I call it as a trap, but to reach at this stage, so many hurdles. You can't even imagine a guy who is making 350 rupees per day, and he's getting sales calls, running ads, getting results for the client, editing videos, uh, taking sales calls. So many things had learned in this 2025, and so many people has taught me some of the lessons, because life when life hits hard, right, on your ass, then you will know the value of life. So that's why this 2025 haven't been that much great for my business and for my personal life specifically. Just keeping this goal, like again one more time, let's try from the scratch itself. I want UK client. हम UK clients पे फोकस करेंगे जनवरी से लेते हुए, एंड गूगल एड्स पे फोकस करेंगे, एंड टू ग्रो माय फैन बेस एज वेल in Instagram and in YouTube. I want to focus on full time in YouTube videos as well. So let me focus on YouTube, and second goal is to make 7 lakh rupees at the end of the year. It should be on my bank account. And the third goal is to be, it's like a little bit personal. When I achieve that, right, I will definitely let you know. And in the fourth step, I need UK clients, because in US market I'm getting insane results, even you can't imagine. uh, I use AI images, AI tools, so which we have used the creatives, right? Every person in the agency field, they are using my ad creatives in US market, specifically Florida, New York, New Jersey, Oklahoma, Houston, uh, and where Pennsylvania. These specific states, these specific cities, peoples are actually using my ad creatives. At that time I feel like, man, it is actually working. Even though I'm not get that much money, but my creatives are using by others, they are getting results. That is a little bit feeling happy. And let's see here, how can it be a very good year to me 2026. Let's see. And so many things I can't even tell you. I have recorded one video earlier in 2025 because people's are disrespecting me. They want money, but they don't want from this performance marketing. And to reach at this position, my life is completely like I have transformed it. Because earlier Fayaz means he's just making videos like TikTok videos, something like that, entertainment purpose. Everyone is seeing, but वो जो बताते हैं ना, कमती नज़र बोल के, तो लोगों लोगों पे ऐसी एक नज़र है मेरे लिए. सो बंदे ऐसे सोच रहे कि इस इससे कुछ भी नहीं होगा, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम द ओनली वन who started the agency from the scratch, who is making decent money. And for my sustainability, भाई मैं बता नहीं पा रहा हूँ. लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक सो मच मनी to get financial freedom, to travel, and to get into a relationship. So probably everyone here, everyone wants to get into the relationship, right? In fact, I I felt that people are looking for this safety. Like you need a great job, and you do have good bank balance, and you have a very big house, and you need one car to show off everyone. This all shit people's want, but the end of the day they won't stay. If the person is coming by securing their safety, right, it is not absolutely wrong. But somehow I felt like if he is not personally connected with you, if she is not personally connected with you, right, uh, then people won't stay for the long time. If you are valuing these products, right, the paper called money, we can say, if you are valuing uh, the things, right, you are not able to value your emotions and feelings. I feel like rather than money, emotions are more priceless. I don't know whether I'm right or not, but I just want to keep this record once for my future self, for Fayaz to get 7 lakh rupees in your bank account. After all my expenses, I need 7 lakh rupees. Keep this on your mind, okay? Maybe you guys are thinking, what is this video? Yeah, why I'm seeing him and what is he speaking? But the thing is, like, to set up some of the goals, I just want this video to show my future words. I'm just giving 365 days for myself to make 7 lakh rupees after all my expenses, and to play in UK market. That is the main target. So every day I used to write some of the tasks, what to do and how to do. Okay, then bye bye and Allah Hafiz.